Hey guys, in this video we're going to get started with LibreOffice Writer and I'm going to show you the basics. Now, in order for us to get started, I have the sample text right here and we're going to use this as basis. So yeah, say for example, we want to get started with this one. The first thing I'm going to show you is the layout. So you have your file right here. You can go ahead and create a new text document or open one. You also have here your recent documents that you've used, and then say for example when you're done you have the save or save as button right here. You can also go ahead and export this in a different format. PDF is the most common one, so you have it there. Now if you want to say for example check the printer properties or print it, the same functions or shortcuts from Microsoft Word usually applies here as well. Now you can go ahead and click the edit right here to do certain things. Again, functions is the same thing, or shortcuts for cut, copy, paste, and paste special. You also have here find and replace in case there are words that you want to replace. Another thing is going to be the view. So you have here different settings that you can use. And then if you want to insert things, you can click this one right here. You can insert image, chart, media, shape, and so many others. Now, most important thing that I'm going to use is the format option right here. So there are different formatting. Again, shortcuts are the same. Spacing, alignment, and then we have here list, bullet, paragraph, if you want to see the paragraphs, and then the page style. One of the most important thing that I'm going to be showing you, because this is one thing that for sure you're going to be using a lot. So we have format here referring to the document that we or the paper that we're going to be using. So we can change this to A4, say for example. We can change this to legal, just like so. And then if say for example you want to create your own, you can definitely just edit from here. So if I want to say for example 7, I'm going to go ahead and hit apply, and as you can see the paper is now thin. So let's go back there. And another thing is if you're going to change the orientation, you can click here, landscape for example, hit OK, and you can see that now it's in landscape. Now let's go back there because there's something else that I'm going to show you. Now what if say for example, we're going to head over back to portrait. We are going to change the margin here to left is going to be 2, while the rest is 1. So say for example you're trying to print this in paper bound, this one, you'll most likely be consuming the first half here as for printing or for basically printing of this particular thing to book. All right, so that's how it is going to look. Now let's go back there. And yeah, another thing that we have down here are the settings. All right, and we have here the tools. Say for example here, if I want to change this to title, there you go, I can definitely do that one. Here I'm going to change this to heading. All right, that is definitely possible. But if say for example you want to change the font, you can definitely head over here and then change this to your desired font style and font options. So you have bold, italic, underline, and so many others here. Now if say for example I want to have some sort of, or I want this to be in numbers, I can click this, or in bullet points, definitely this one. So yeah, that is basically how it looks. Once you're done, go ahead and make sure you save this. Click the save button right here and then change the text document to your desired format. You can also go ahead and export this one as PDF file, just like so. So go ahead and change the settings here as you wish to, and you are good to go. And yeah, again, everybody, those are the basics of LibreOffice.